Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to learn Excel from Zero Easy Guide. Open Excel and create a blank workbook, then save it with a clear name to practice safely. We'll cover cells, basic formulas, and formatting using simple examples you can copy. I will guide you step by step, give quick exercises, and show common pitfalls to avoid so you build confidence as you learn. Let's jump in together and have fun. Start with navigation, selecting cells, and entering data cleanly so you avoid errors early. Practice simple arithmetic formulas like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, then try SUM and average. Learn formatting to improve readability and use basic functions such as IF and VLOOKUP gradually. I will suggest short daily exercises, realistic sample files, and quick repetition to try small projects like a monthly budget, contact list, and simple inventory so you apply multiple skills. Build a budget with income, expenses, SUM formulas, and basic charts to visualize totals. Create a contact table you can sort and filter, then experiment with conditional formatting to highlight key items. Track inventory with formulas for reorder points and simple counts, and review your work to learn from mistakes and improve steadily.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.